What if building complex metal parts could move at the speed of software? That's the vision behind a startup called Freeform, and investors are betting tens of millions that it could transform modern manufacturing. Freeform recently raised $67 million in a Series B round to scale its AI-driven metal manufacturing platform. Investors in the round include Pandion, AE Ventures, Founders Fund, Lindsay Capital, NVIDIA's N Ventures, Threshold Ventures, and 2 Sigma Ventures. The company didn't disclose its official valuation, though PitchBook estimates it at about $179 million. Quick pause. If you enjoy practical insights about AI and emerging technology, take a second to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with how you think AI will change manufacturing. Freeform was founded in 2018 by CEO Eric Palich after working on rocket engines at SpaceX. During that time, he realized something surprising. The machines used to print metal components were expensive, unreliable, and poorly designed for large-scale production. So, Freeform decided to rethink the entire system. Current platform, called GoldenEye, uses 18 lasers to fuse metal powders into precision parts. But the next generation system, called Skyfall, is designed to use hundreds of lasers and produce thousands of kilograms of metal components every day. The secret behind the system is data and AI. Freeform describes its platform as AI native. Through a partnership with NVIDIA, the company runs powerful H200 GPU clusters on site to perform real-time physics simulations of the manufacturing process. Sensors collect massive amounts of data, allowing the system to constantly improve production quality and efficiency. The company says it is already delivering hundreds of mission-critical parts to customers every week, although it has not publicly revealed who those customers are. With the new funding, Freeform plans to hire about 100 employees and expand its facilities to handle growing demand. The bigger picture is clear. AI is no longer just transforming software. It's starting to reinvent how physical products are designed and manufactured. If you found this valuable, hit like, subscribe for more breakdowns on AI and emerging technology, and share your thoughts in the comments. And before you go, watch the related video in the corner of your screen to see another way AI is transforming entire industries.